Here exercise 5.1, fourth question, 12th part. Here this is the given series. Here we can see that in the given series it is not in the reduced format. So we will first write in the reduced format. So root 2. Root 2 is already in reduced format. So it will be root 2. Now take root 8. It is not in reduced format. So root 8 can be written as root 4 into 2. Right? Now root 4 is 2. 2 root 2. Now root 18. We can write it as 9 into 2. So root 9 will be 3. So 3 root 2. Now root 32. We can write it as 16 into 2. So root 16. So this will be simplified. We can write as 16 into root 2. See, now root 16 is 4 into root 2. So here this will be the A1, this will be the A2, this will be the A3, and this will be the A4. That is root 2 comma 2 root 2 comma 3 root 2 comma 4 root 2. Okay. So now it is in reduced format. So here the first 4 terms will be A1, A2, A3 and A4. Here we have to find whether the given series is in AP or not. If it is in AP, then we have to find the next 3 terms. To find that, if the difference between the 2 succeeding terms is the same, that is A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2 and A4 minus A3 is the same, then we can say that the given series is in AP. So let's start. A2 minus A1 is equal to 2 root 2 minus root 2, which is equal to 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2, which is equal to root 2. A3 minus A2. A3 is 3 root 2 minus root 2, which is equal, 2 root 2. A2 is 2 root 2. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 will be 1 root 2. A4 minus A3. A4 is 4 root 2 and A3 is 3 root 2. So 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2 will be root 2. Here we can find that all the difference is the same. The difference in all cases are the same. So we can say that D is root 2. That is, common difference is root 2. And we can say that the given series is in AP. Is in AP. So now we have to find since it is in AP, we have to find the next 3 terms, A5, A6 and A7. So here A5 is given by A4. Previous term is A4. If we add D to the previous term, that is the 4th term, then we will get the A5. So here A4 is 4 root 2 plus D is root 2. 4 root 2 plus root 2 will be 5 root 2. So here A5 is 5 root 2. If you want to write this into the format given in the question, So I mean in not proper way, that is not in the reduced format. So now we can write it as, we can also write it as 5 root 2 is can also be written as see 5 root 2. See, if you take 5 inside, then it will be 25 into 2. See, if you take 25 outside, then it will be 5. Root 25 is 5. 5 root 2 can also be written as root 25 into 2, which is equal to root 50. So, A5 is 5 root 2 by 12. Sorry. See, 5 root 2. See, 5 root 2 can also be written as root 25 into 2, because if we take root 25 outside, then it will be 5 root 2. So, root 25 into 2 will be root 50. Now, we will find the A6. A6 is given by A5 plus D. A5 is 5 root 2 plus D is root 2, which is equal to 6 root 2. A6 is 6 root 2. 6 root 2 can also be written as, say, 6 root 2. If you take 6 inside, then it will be 36 into 2. See, if you take root 36, then it will be 6. Okay, so it will become 36 if it went inside the root. So 36 into 2 will be root 72. We can write either 6 root 2 as A6 or root 72. Now we will find A7. A7 is given by, previous time is 6, A6. If you add D to it, then you will get A7. See, A6 is 6 root 2 plus D is root 2. We can write as 7 root 2. 7 root 2 can also be written as, if you take 7 inside the root, then it will be 49 into 2. See, here if you take outside, it will be 7. Root 49 will be 7. So if it went inside the root, then it will be 49. So 49 into 2 will be 98. Root 98. So the next three terms are 5 root 2, 6 root 2 and 7 root 2. Or we can also written as 5 root 2 can be written as root 50. 6 root 2 can be written as root 72. 7 root 2 can be written as root 98, which I have shown above.